In this video, I'll show you several ways to calculate hours worked in Excel. We'll also make the formulas work for overnight shifts and calculate the total hours. Let's get started. We have a small timesheet with log in and log out. To test every scenario, I included both 12-hour and 24-hour time formats, plus daytime and overnight shifts. Let's begin with the simplest formula. Click the end time, subtract the start time. The result is displayed in the same format. Press Ctrl+1, open the time category, and choose this format. Now fill the formula down. The daytime shifts are correct, but the overnight ones display hash marks. That's because the result is negative, and Excel can't display negative time by default. Now let's try a different formula. Type mod. This function returns the remainder after division. In this case, it keeps the result within a 24-hour period, so overnight shifts are calculated correctly. For the first value, subtract the start time from the end time. Next, enter 1. Here, 1 represents 1 full day, so if the result is negative, Excel automatically wraps it into the next 24 hours. Press Ctrl+1, choose the same time format, and fill the formula down. Now every shift is calculated correctly. Let's add the total hours. In the second column, enter a regular sum formula and select the range. The total doesn't look right. Excel resets the hours after every 24-hour cycle. Press Ctrl+1, open Custom, and type H in square brackets, :MM. The square brackets tell Excel to keep counting the total number of hours instead of starting over after 24. Now everything is calculated correctly. This method is great if you want to display the result as hours and minutes, but if you need a number instead, for example to calculate payroll, we'll make one small change to the formula. Start with the same formula. At the end, multiply it by 24. This converts the result from a fraction of a day into decimal hours. Now change the cell format back to general. Instead of a time value, we now have a regular Excel number that you can use in other calculations. Let's calculate the total. Notice how this result matches the total on the left, but now it's displayed as decimal hours instead of hours and minutes. Let's copy the formula and make one more change. Suppose the hourly rate is $20. Multiply the total hours by 20, then change the format to currency, and we have the total pay. Now I'll copy the total formula from the column on the left and change the format to currency. The hours and minutes format is great for display, but for payroll calculations, you need decimal hours. Let's look at another example where we have dates and times, not just time values. Here, the duration can span several days, so it doesn't matter whether it's a daytime or overnight shift. This time, the simplest formula is all we need. Subtract the start from the end date and time. Press Ctrl+1, open Custom, and type H in square brackets, :MM. The square brackets tell Excel to keep counting the total hours instead of restarting after every 24 hours. The result is displayed as hours and minutes. If you need decimal hours instead, use the same formula and multiply it by 24. Make sure the cells are formatted as general, then fill the formula down. Next, calculate the totals. Copy the formula to the next column. Don't forget to change the format back to general. Both methods calculate the same duration. One is displayed as hours and minutes, while the other returns decimal hours. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.